Alright guys, so we are stuck in a snowstorm right now, and the biggest mistake is that we're driving the ZL1 right now. Dude, do you not see what it says, bro? Are you blind? It literally says stay 500 feet back, and you're like 5 feet away.
Ron, I really don't want to be on camera right now.
Really? You literally told me to make this video.
I was like, should we?
Should we? Of course. Content is content. Look at this. It is horrible right now. So right now we're stuck in traffic. Nate, I'm gonna ask you for the 5th time, how you feeling?
Yes, sir, Ski.
Oh my god, if we had a Jeep like that, it would be so good.
Can you please get that flash out of my eyes, bro? I can't see.
No, it's for filming.
Oh my god, there's cops up there too.
That's fine. If we get pulled over, it'd be a good video.
Ron, bro, for real, stop, bro.
And we just hit the red light.
Come on, bro, stop.
Listen, I know you hate me, right?
Stop, bro, I can't see, bro, stop. Oh my god, we're gonna get stuck here.
Laugh, Nate, just laugh.
I'm really...
No. I know you're trying to concentrate, but laugh, smile a little bit, bro. Life is good. Oh, whoa. Look at this car. Literally snow everywhere right now. And this is ice, I think. Yeah, it's ice. We got ice everywhere. Look at the tires are horrible. The worst tires you could possibly have during a snowstorm. It is a mess right now. You got freaking snow all over. Nate! What do you do for a living? It's one of those videos. What do you do for a living?
Let me think of a good one. Stocks.
What do you stock bottles at Walmart?
No, at Myers.
Hey, he does not look too happy right now. I'm surprised he doesn't just leave me and drive away. Are you gonna leave me? No, Nate, no. Please, I need a ride home. Look, guys, I had to get out the car and secure the thumbnail. He's leaving me. Don't leave me. Hit it. Come on, don't be a hit it.
Oh, man. Come on, man. What the are you doing, bro? Come on. Seriously, bro.
You hate me?
Bro, you're acting like a kid, bro.
I don't know. I just find this situation kind of funny.
Right.
Guys, look. I tried to find something funny about each situation. He's over here stressing, but I understand your pain, okay? You are driving a 650 horsepower car in the snow right now. But it's like, cheer up a little bit. I love you, Nate.
I love you.
Yes, sir! So we just ran into a TRX. Woo! Oh my god, that sounds so good. There it is. TRX on the road.
Oh,
Go. Catch up. That sounds so good.
Oh.
Go up to him.
Yeah, like I'm go inside of it. Go up there.
We're driving a whopping 16 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone. Yay! So Nate just agreed on doing a...
Bro, you're annoying, bro. I swear to God.
I love you. I love you, Nate.
No, I don't love you.
You don't love me?
No.
Wow! I could probably walk faster than my car right now. I'm gonna get out and walk. Can I get out and walk?
If you want to.
I might just get out and walk at this point. We just stopped. Turn the emergency. Oh my god, we're stuck. Look, we're good. Try to hit it. We're literally stuck, guys. Hit it. Can you hit it?
You have to hop out and push.
All right. I literally gotta hop out and push. Go. It's fine. Go. Hey, hold up. Don't leave me. All right, let's go, Nate. Let's go.
Oh my god.
What is going on? That's why I told you don't drive next to the curb. Go. We're literally stopped. I gotta push again. Bro, relax. You're good, bro. Relax. Be patient. You're fine. Just chill out. We're gonna push again. All right, Nate, hit it. me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't leave me, I gotta change. Hey, where are you going? Go, Nate. Go, Nate. Okay, stay, go like a certain speed. Don't brake or don't slow down. Yeah, get out of this lane. We're good. There was just too much snow over there. I had to chase him, and literally, my whole feet are like soaking in snow right now. Hey, Martin! Hey, we got stuck over there. We got stuck. Huh?
Is that why the hazards are on?
Yeah, bro, we got stuck on the side of the curb. I had to push him. All right, do a little pull. Do a pull. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, thank God he didn't lose control. I've never ever recorded a video like this. I usually like have more of a planned video, but I just picked up the camera because he said to pick up the camera. Let's just
joking.
Let's just go home. We made it. Hey, we've been on the road for 2 hours. I swear to God.
Driving this around?
Yeah, no, we couldn't get here. It took so long. We were only 20 minutes away. We are back. Finally got this back in the garage. Literally 2 hours, guys, and we were only 20 minutes away. This car is a mess. It needs a detail, and look at this thing. It is a mess. All right, let's get in my Ram now. It's covered in snow. Whew. Whew. All right. So it's in, I think, 2-wheel drive. Oh no, it's in 4-wheel drive. We're good. Let's get some lights in here. All right. Oh, the windows are frozen.
The Rambeezy.
Yes, sir. We're finally in something that can just ram through the snow.
Finally, bro.
Right.
See, now I'm happy. Now I'm in a happy mood.
Yeah, because your car is not, gonna
at risk.
All right, we're here. Martin's here. It's BMW. What up? You ready? Where are we doing this donuts?
Right here.
I'm about to do some donuts.
Well, there's a minivan over there. Get out the way, man. Yes, sir! Oh my God. You got thirsty? I got thirsty. Drifting. Yes, sir! Hit him! Oh, good stuff.
You want tighter to you or no?
Good stuff. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. Nate is about to hop in right now. I'm literally like freezing my off right now. Hey Nate, hang out the window when you're doing it. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I got thirsty.
I'm tired of going in circles. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy, yo. Good job. High five. No, you gotta give me a high five. It's time to just go home. My feet are soaking wet from trying to push this guy out of the snow. We've had such a long day, and it's time to wrap up the video. So if you guys liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. Get this video to 5,000 likes. I know you guys can do it. Go like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.